In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Ads account without a campaign. First, open your browser and search for Google Ads. Click on the first link that will show up and it will redirect you to Google Ads. On the upper right portion of your screen, you will see two buttons. Click on the Sign In button. It will prompt that you do not have a Google Ads account. Click on New Google Ads Account. It will then redirect you to the Create Application form. Input your business name. Underneath that, you will see options as to where people will go when they click on your ads. Click on the business number and select a country of your choice and phone number. Once you are done, you will see multiple settings where you can customize your account. But let's skip on that for the meantime. When you are done, a Leave Campaign Creation prompt will show. Click on that. Confirm your account settings and click on Continue. Once redirected, scroll down and spot the Add Payment method. Now you can add your payment options. Once finished, make sure to click No in the Want Personalized Guidance from Google Ads Account Strategist option and click on Submit. Click on Manual Payment and input at least the minimum amount needed, in this case 600, and click on Submit. And that's how to create a Google Ads account without a campaign.